Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable protected content in Google Chrome. This simple setting can make a big difference when you're trying to stream videos, music, or other digital content that requires special permissions to play. If you've ever run into issues where certain media won't load or play correctly, adjusting this setting is often the solution. Let's get started step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens up the main Chrome menu where all of your important options are located. From this menu, scroll down until you find Settings and click on it. Settings is where Chrome keeps most of its customization controls. It might look like a lot at first, but don't worry. We'll only need a couple of quick clicks to get where we need to be. When you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see the option called Site Settings. Click on Site Settings, and this will bring you into the section where Chrome manages different permissions. These are things like notifications, camera access, location, and more. The one we want to focus on is called Protected Content. Scroll a bit further until you find Protected Content in the list. Click on it, and you'll see the option that determines whether protected media can play in your browser. By default, this might be disabled, and that's usually when people notice videos or music not working the way they should. To fix that, simply set Protected Content to Allowed. Once you switch it to Allowed, Chrome will be able to play digital rights-protected media, which includes things like music subscription services, movies, or certain websites that need this feature enabled. And that's it. Just a few quick steps and you've enabled protected content in Google Chrome. Now you should be able to enjoy your favorite videos and music without interruptions or error messages. If this was helpful, take a moment to follow the same steps on your own device so you can unlock smooth playback whenever you need it.